Created in 1839, gate valves were the first valve to receive a patent in America. Though gate valves provide the most basic operational principle for valves, do you know how they work? In this episode of Radwell's How It Works series, we're going to explore how gate valves operate. Before we begin, knowing the main components of a gate valve provides better understanding of how they work. The three main components that will contribute the most to how a gate valve works are the gate, the stem, and the hand wheel. Now that we've reviewed the basic components of a gate valve, let's review how gate valves work. Starting in a closed position, the gate will be sealed and there will be no fluid flow. Turning the hand wheel in a counterclockwise motion, the gate attached to the stem will begin to be lifted out of the way. Once raised out of the way, the valve will be fully opened and fluid will flow through. To close it, the hand wheel will be turned in a clockwise motion, and the stem will lower the gate in order to seal off the fluid flow and return the valve to a fully closed position. With this basic working principle, gate valves can only be fully opened or fully closed. They are not capable of regulating fluid flow, but still provide a basic way of controlling fluid flow. If you like this information on gate valves, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information on industrial products and processes. For information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.